Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on recommendation notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've recently noticed some changes in the layout or settings after the new update, don't worry, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see your main dashboard with the familiar left-hand menu. From this menu, click on the Notifications tab. This is where all your alerts and social updates normally appear. Next, look toward the top right corner of the notification screen and click on Settings. This will open a set of options that let you fine-tune what kind of updates you want to receive. Now, under Settings, go to Preferences. Within Preferences, choose Push Notifications. This is the section where you can manage different types of alerts that X sends directly to you. After entering the Push Notifications section, scroll down until you find the category labeled From X. Here, you'll see several options that control what kinds of notifications the platform can send. To make sure you're getting personalized suggestions about trending content, creators, and posts, check the box next to Recommendations. Once enabled, this option ensures you won't miss out on the latest updates that match your interests. And that's it. You've successfully turned on recommendation notifications on XWeb with this feature activated. X will now keep you informed with tailored updates designed around what you engage with most often. Before you leave, it's a good idea to quickly refresh your page or check your notification settings once more, just to confirm the change has been saved. Doing this helps make sure everything syncs smoothly with the latest version of the site. Now you're all set to explore the best of what's happening on X and stay connected to the topics and people you care about most. Thanks for watching.